Good morning, children. Welcome back to Science Online class. How are you all? Hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Children, today we will start a new lesson, Parts of a Plants. Lesson 7, Parts of a Plants. In this lesson, we will learn about parts of a plant and their uses, germination. Children, you all know plants are all around us. They make our environment green. Like our body, plant body also has many parts. A plant body is mainly divided into two parts, the root and the shoot. Let us study about these parts in detail. Children, can you tell me the parts of a plant? Root, stem, branches, leaves, buds, flowers, fruit. Today we will learn about root and its function. Okay, children, do all plants have same kind of roots? No. Why are the roots of a plant not seen? Because it grows below the soil. Will the plant live if the roots are damaged? No. The plant cannot live if the roots are damaged. Okay? The root is very important for growing plants. The part of a plant which generally grows below the ground is called the root. There are two types of roots, taproot and fibrous root. Now we will see the taproot. Some plants have one main root growing from the end of the stem. From this main root, many smaller roots grow out. The main root is called taproot. Plants like bean, mustard, sunflower, mango, etc. have a taproot. Next, fibrous root. Some plants have a bunch of thin roots growing out in all directions from the end of the stem. Such a root is called the fibrous root. Plants like rice, grass, wheat and onion have fibrous roots. Next, functions of the root. Root fixes the plant firmly in the soil. Root fixes the plant firmly in the soil. The root absorbs water and minerals from the soil. Some plants store food in their roots. We eat roots of such plants. For example, radish and carrot. Root helps to bind the soil particles together. Root helps to bind the soil particles together. Children, take your science book. Turn page number 69. Lesson 7, Parts of a Plant. In this lesson, we are going to learn parts of a plant and their uses, germination. We see different kinds of plants around us. They are of different shapes and size. Underline the word different kinds of plants. Next, different shapes and size. You have learnt about some parts of a plant in the previous classes. Children, here an activity for you. You do this activity by yourself. Okay? Let us learn more about the parts of a plant. Next, page number 70. Parts of a plant and their uses. A plant has two main parts, the root and the shoot. This is root, this is shoot. The part above the ground is called the shoot. Underline the word. The part above the ground is called the shoot. It consists of the stem, leaves, buds, flowers and fruits. Next, the part below the ground is called the root. Underline the word. Below the ground is called root. Root. Root is the part of the plant that usually grows below the ground. Underline the word. Grow below the ground. There are two main types of roots, tap roots and fibrous roots. Underline the word. Two main types of roots, tap roots and fibrous roots. Tap root. It consists of a main thick root from which small roots grow. Plants such as bean, mustard and hibiscus have tap roots. Underline the word main thick root. Next, fibrous root. It consists of many thin roots that appear bushy. There is no main root. Plants such as grass, wheat and onion have fibrous roots. Underline the word many thin roots, appear bushy, no main root. Example, grass, wheat, onion. Next, functions of root. Some of the main functions of root are given below. First point, it helps the plant stay fixed to the soil. Underline the word fixed to the soil. Second point, it takes in water and minerals from the soil which are used by the plant for making food. Underline the word water and minerals from the soil. Next, underline the word making food. Third point, some plants store extra food in their roots. Underline the word extra food in their roots. Some of these roots such as radish, turnip, beetroot and carrot can be eaten by human beings. Children, take your science booklet, take a new page and write lesson 7, parts of a plant. Roman number 1, answer the following questions. Question number 1, what is a taproot? Taproot consists of a main thick root from which small roots grow. Question number 2, give any two functions of roots. First point, roots help the plant to stay fixed to the soil. Second point, they take in water and minerals from the soil which are used by the plant for making food.